Hi guys, welcome back to A Simple Life with Chris and Tara. I'm Chris. Tonight I'm thinking, let's cook in cast iron. I think I'm going to make some creamy potato soup, and it's really good. I thought I'd share the recipe with you guys. Here's what we got going on. Alright, for this we're going to need 2 boxes of vegetable broth, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes I've already rinsed off here. I like to use the red potatoes because I like to leave the skins on. We're going to use about 5 sticks of celery and about 5 carrots. Also 4 cups of milk. Alright, let's get it going. This time we're going to use some enameled cast iron instead of the normal cast iron, just to mix it up a little bit. I like to use both. A lot of times when I'm making soup, I like to use this to where if I'm cooking something in a skillet, I'll use regular cast iron. So to start things off, we're going to put half of our stick of butter in the bottom of this Dutch oven here. Start melting, and we'll put our onion in with that. Save the other half, we're going to use that later. Add a little salt and pepper here. I'm not measuring. And we'll cook these until they're translucent. That's a fun word, isn't it? Translucent. Alright, now we're going to cut up the garlic. Alright, once you've got the onions cooked down to how you want them, go ahead and add the broth. This is where I'll also add the bouillon. If you don't want to put in the bouillon, this is just something optional. I just do it because it adds a little extra flavor. Okay, now we can go ahead and add the carrots to the broth. That'll give them a little time to cook down. So we'll get them going first. And I'm cooking this over medium to medium high. I'm not quite as strict with my enameled cast iron as I am with regular. Okay, now we got the celery all cut up. Put that in as well. Okay, now would be a good time to start adding the seasoning. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. I'm going to put in a little bit of basil, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll do half a teaspoon of pepper as well. Alright guys, now let's add the the potatoes. Alright guys, now it's time to add some of this milk. There was the 4 cups of milk. We're going to let this cook till our potatoes get nice and soft. And we're getting ready to use that other half stick of butter that we saved from before. Alright, now we're just going to add that other half stick of butter in our pan. Let that melt down. Alright, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, and 3. We're just going to mix this up into a little roux to pour into our soup. Help thicken it up a little bit. And we'll just add this into the soup. Give it a good stir. And we're just going to let this continue to cook on medium high until we get it to the consistency that we want. Alright folks, I've let it sit here and simmer for about half an hour. Things got down to the consistency that I like. Potatoes are nice and soft. Smells delicious. We're going to scoop us up a bowl and see how it is. Alright guys, there it is, all finished. Super easy recipe, doesn't take that long. Takes longer to cut everything up than anything else. Tastes delicious, and hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and give us a comment. What's something you'd like to see us make in some cast iron? Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.